This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's slab cabinet 3-drawer base. The parts referenced in this video can be found listed in the assembly guide, located inside cabinet packaging. There are 2 different sizes of drawers. As you proceed with the following steps, take time to ensure that you are assembling the appropriately sized drawer pieces. Start with one of the 3 drawer faces and position face down in front of you on your workstation. Place an adhesive bumper pad on the surface of the drawer at each corner. Next, align the drawer face bracket on the drawer, where indicated by the pre-drilled pilot holes, and use a drill and the pre-packaged screws to secure it to the back of the drawer front panel. Rotate the drawer face on your workstation and install the second drawer face bracket at the opposite end. Next, retrieve a back drawer panel. Use 2 foam squares from the cabinet packaging for support during this assembly. Place the rear panel on the 2 foam squares and retrieve one of the 2 back fixing brackets. Position bracket on the door and use a drill and prepackaged screws to secure the bracket into place. Repeat this process for the second drawer bracket, affixing it to the opposite end of the drawer. Continue this process for the remaining drawers and set them aside. Retrieve 2 drawer sides and stand them upright so the slotted edges face you on your workstation. Slide the back panel into the opening at the end of each side panel and click it into place. Do this on both sides. Turn the drawer onto its back side with the sides facing up and away from the workstation. Retrieve a drawer bottom panel and ensure the finished side faces the inside of the drawer. Slide into place. Retrieve the appropriate drawer face that matches the drawer size and position it with the broader portion facing the top of the drawer. Click into place. Place the finished drawer on your workstation and inset the cover caps over the exposed mechanisms inside and outside the drawers. To complete, stand the drawer face down on your workstation and use an awl to create pilot holes in the openings along with the drawer glide. Use a drill and the prepackaged screws to secure the bottom to the sides. Once finished, set aside. Repeat this process to construct the remaining 2 drawers. Set all drawers aside. Next, stack both cabinet sides on your workstation so the notched corners are at opposite ends of one another. Retrieve the undermount soft close drawer glides and place them parallel to one another on the surface of the cabinet sidewall. Align glide openings with the pre-drilled pilot holes on the surface of the cabinet sidewall. Where indicated, using a drill and prepackaged screws, secure glides to the cabinet side wall. For heavy-duty applications, secure the glides with as many as 4 screws in each glide's plates. To reach the rear screw openings on the glides, you may need to push the glide arm forward and out of the way of the drill. Affix all 3 glides and repeat this procedure on the second sidewall. With the glide tracks securely attached, rotate the side on your workstation so the slotted edge is closest to you. Retrieve the back panel and insert it into the slot on the surface of the cabinet side. Retrieve the cabinet base and insert the wooden dowel into the openings on the surface. Align the cabinet back with the bottom and secure it together with the nail gun. Rotate the unit on your workstation and retrieve the remaining side panel. Fit the side panel on top of the cabinet base, inserting the back slot and base dowels into the side panel. Grab the bridge beam and use its pre-placed wooden pegs to fit into both cabinet sides. Use a nail gun to secure the edge of the bridge beam into place. Rotate the unit on your workstation and use the nail gun to secure the backing and the upper side panels into place. Flip the unit on its side and continue securing the back panel to the side using a nail gun. Place the metal corner brackets in an upper corner of the unit, approximately 1/2 inch down from the top. Secure with a drill and the prepackaged screws. Install the second metal bracket in the opposite corner of the upper cabinet. Stand the unit upright on your workstation. Retrieve all 3 drawers and, starting from the bottom, install the drawers. Ensure all 3 drawers close flush and aligned with the unit. Adjust if necessary using the instructions inside the packaging. Finally, remove the protective cover from all 3 drawer faces. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry 3-drawer base cabinet is ready to install.